Quality assured with 100% leakage and functional tests of seals, bearings, castings and fully assembled water pump. Fits and performs exactly to OE specifications and requirements. Premium water pumps are designed to enhance the performance of the equivalent standard pump. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Gates water pumps are recognized in the industry for their durability, superior quality and are manufactured for worry-free operations for your vehicle. Every Gates high-quality new water pump is constructed with premium alloy materials and a 100% functional test of seals and bearings along with a 100% leakage test for both the casting and assembled water pump. Get industry best and a guaranteed OE quality fit with Gates. Top reviews from the United States. 2012 Ram 6.7L Cummins. 111,000 miles. Great product. Just put on. Fast shipping. Piss poor design on Cummins' part. No telling how long mine had been bad before clogging weep hole. We'll keep this in mind when I finally reach 200,000 mile and just change as preventative measure.